Hi there. Happy New Year. Welcome back to Little Old Lady in a Big Old World. Today I am making Zuppa Toscana, which is a great first day of the New Year soup. It's cold here in Central Florida. We were below freezing last night. We were below freezing the night before. I'm frugal. I had this stuff already in my fridge and I thought this will make a great meal. It's got the pork in it because it's got the pork sausage. It's got kale in it, potatoes. Ooh, it's going to be so warm and spicy and good. So in just a few minutes, I'm going to take you into the kitchen and we're gonna put it together. But first, I want to give a big shout out to one of my super fans, Jan Thomas in Indianapolis, Indiana. She has sent me this amazing selfie stick, which I'm learning how to use, and I haven't learned how to use it yet. But when I do, I'm going to let her know that we're doing it with this beautiful selfie stick that she got me. Thank you so much, Jan, for bringing that to my attention and sending it all the way from Indianapolis to me. I sure appreciate it. So Zuppa Toscana is a soup that you can find at Olive Garden. It's very good. It's creamy. It's got kale, potatoes, spicy sausage, and onions. And for me to have to go to Olive Garden is a 45-minute one-way trip. So it's a long way. It's not frugal for me to go there, but it is frugal for me to make it myself. And I've learned how to do this. Julie Pacheco, shout out to Julie Pacheco and her channel, does a Zuppa Toscana casserole. And I'm going to try that sometime because it just really sounds good. So some things to think about when you're using kale in your food. When you have osteoporosis, as I do, you want to be careful of some dark leafy greens because we know they are very good for us, but they also contain something called oxalates. And oxalates actually leach bone. And I love spinach. I mean, I could be a daily spinach eater. And I love kale and I love dark green leafy vegetables. So I eat them sparingly. So for me to eat kale in my Zuppa Toscana today is a special treat because I don't normally have that. But I did have all those ingredients in my fridge, so very frugal for me to make this hot, creamy soup today, and I'm really looking forward to it. So I'm going to turn this little live one off, and I'll be back on in a few minutes in the kitchen working on my Zuppa Toscana. Happy New Year to you. It's so good to know you, so good to have you be with me. I intend to keep my goals for this channel in 2026 are to keep it authentic, keep it real, keep it honest, keep it hopeful, keep it helpful, keep it life affirming, and fun. We'll keep it fun too. And in order to do that, if you can subscribe, like, and share, that'll help me get to my goal of that. And yes, I do hope to be monetized sometime in 2026, but I'm not going crazy about it. I'm doing it thoughtfully. I want to do it organically and I want to do it naturally. So if you can help in any way, that would be great. The other thing is I am signed up with Buy a Cup of Coffee, and that is a darling little program where you can tip creatives and artists and content creators and just let them know that you appreciate what they're doing. So if you'd like to support me that way, you can do it through Buy a Cup of Coffee. Anyways, I am excited to be here in 2026. It's better than the alternative. So let's have some fun. Let's be hopeful, helpful, and love one another. See you soon.